Hey guys, it's Double Wide 6, and I got an offer from Audew. They want to try and meet with my audience and tell you about their product. So they sent out this power box. It's something I've never seen, and it's pretty cool. And I told them that I'd be able to show it to you guys. I just want to show you exactly what it does and let you know where you can get it from. So this is a handy little charger. It comes with pretty much everything you need in an emergency. You can hook up your jumper cables right here. There's 4 ports for USBs. There's a port here for charging the unit, and it also has a 12-volt lighter style charging adapter, which looks like this and comes with the kit. Here's the jumper cables, and here's the power pack that you use to charge it using 120. If you take a look here, currently I'm charging up an iPad. I also have an Alexa device that's being charged, and you'll notice that I have
I don't know that one.
2 batteries charged. For instance, if you had power tools that you need to use or a flashlight, which sometimes in emergencies you need, you can charge that, and you'll notice that the batteries are being powered 120 volts AC, and so is that light there. So if you're tailgating or sleeping in a tent or something like that, this would be a great little device for you. Let's look at the specs. The unit comes with a very bright light. It's LED powered, so in a car emergency or you're trying to hook up your jumper cables, you have a light right there. And there's also a handle on the unit, which makes it very convenient. I've put the unit on the car to jump start a car, and I've hooked up the red to the positive terminal, and the black jumper cable wouldn't quite reach the negative because they give you about maybe 4 inches of cable here, so it won't reach. So you'd have to put that on a ground like that, and you should be able to jump start your car. So this battery is in good working order, but this device should have no problem jump starting a car. I wish they would have given us longer leads though. This unit is made by Audew. It's the DP300, and it uses a rechargeable lithium ion battery. Alright guys, well, thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Hopefully Audew was able to connect with my audience. And for watching the video, they're going to offer anyone out there watching the video or subscribing to Double Wide 6 a discount code in case you're interested in ordering one of these DP300 charging units. So anyhow, that'll all be down in the description, and you'll have to let me know what you think of this device. I was actually interested in it because I've never seen a device that also did the 120 power. So it's really nice for a storm. It's nice to have in a car so you have an extra jump starter. And I don't have a battery on my generator, and this will hook up really nice and easily to that in the event of a power outage. So thanks for watching guys. You'll have to let me know what you think down in the comments. Take care.